Hello, hello. Welcome back on into QVC. My name is Monifa Days. Welcome. It is Love Your Garden Day. I am so excited about that because, listen, we're almost a week into spring and we are so excited to start planting our gardens and planting our outdoor spaces, which is why we have a whole 2 hours today of entertaining with Temp-tations. Yes, you know the brand. They've been here for 21 years and brings us amazing things for our kitchen, but guess what? Now they're bringing us even more amazing things to help us get our outdoor space in order to entertain for the season. So let me show you a couple of things that we have you can start shopping for. Remember, everything is on 5 easy payments today. So this is your solar glass hanging critter. It's on a sale price of $24.98. Your easy pay on this, $5. Look how adorable. We have all the critters in this one, so I can't wait for you to see how fun and vibrant those are. What a great addition to your outdoor space. We also have these planters. You're getting 3, which is really nice, and these are your critter planters for $59.99. Your easy pay on that, $12. Your item number is M87430. And then this is brand new today. Oh, by the way, we have, I think, 7 new items this couple of hours, so that's exciting. And this is one of them. It's the teacup planter with the saucer. I know you think this is like your soup bowl. No, it's a planter. $23.50. It's item number M87780. So here is another one of our brand new today items. I'm so happy that we're starting off with something new to get our outdoor spaces ready for entertaining. So this is your 6-inch hanging mosaic sphere. Brand new today. Really beautiful. $35.50. Your easy pay is $7.10. It's item number M80518. And we're talking about some gorgeous little critters in this beautiful mosaic design. So we have it here in our gorgeous hummingbird. We love the hummingbird. Can you see the hummingbird? There she is. We only have about 1,200 left there, and this is new. I mean, just new an hour ago. And then we have it here in the ladybug, and I love a good ladybug. We have fewer than 900. I'll tell you why I love ladybugs later. Bumblebee, our little hard worker. We have about 650 there. Here's that gorgeous butterfly. We love a good butterfly, our transformation. We have about 600 there. And then lastly, the dragonfly, which is our most limited option, fewer than 400 to go around. Did I say brand new today? Today just started like an hour ago. All right, I just want you to know that. So I get to spend this entire 2 hours with LaSorte, who is part of the Temp-tations team, our entertaining
hello, my friend.
Mama of the next 2 hours. How are you?
Oh, I love being here with you at the Q in person.
And I'm so happy I changed shirts. I did have on a pink shirt, so we would have totally matched. So this goes better, I think, right?
Yeah.
So how great are we starting off with these spheres?
I know, brand new today. And anything that's in the show, Monifa, we cannot get back this year, right? What we have is what we have for the whole year. So this is a real glass mosaic, and it's also held together by this gorgeous grout right here. Why do we do that? Because it gives you the maximum amount of light filtering through it during the day, and then at nighttime it comes to life because this is solar powered.
Yes.
So I love the fact that it's kind to Mother Earth.
Yeah.
All you're going to do when you get it home is put it outside in a bright sunny location, like for about 12 hours, right? And then every night it will come on and illuminate your garden. But this is real glass.
Right.
It weighs about a pound, a little over a pound, so it's lightweight as well. And I don't know if you know this, but our critters have meanings as well.
Yes, each one has a meaning. I know the meaning of a few of them, but please share the meaning.
Absolutely.
And I didn't know this one about the little dragonfly.
Oh, so the dragonfly, don't you love it? The dragonfly is all about courage. I love that. Look how gorgeous that is.
Yeah.
First of all, it has the greens, the teals, the purples.
Gorgeous
360
colors.
degrees. Then we have, look at our butterfly. butterfly over here.
Transformation animal.
Transformation.
I know that.
Yeah.
Yep.
This is one of our newest critters. So you're seeing him or her new this year. But I just want to show you in the bright studio lights. Look how those beautiful pinks and teals.
Could you imagine
and
those dancing off the sun
right.
during the daytime?
Right. We're in studio lighting. Can you imagine?
Gorgeous.
And then our humble bumblebee, right? That's all
our
about
worker
determination.
bee.
Look at that. It's the yellows and it's the black and the silver. I mean, look how gorgeous that is.
Very sophisticated.
Then we love to say our ladybug for luck, right?
You know that's what my name means. Did I tell you that?
No.
So my name actually means lucky one.
Is that right?
Yes.